How to fix Telegram not sending code. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Telegram not sending code. If you are having trouble receiving the verification code from Telegram, then here are several steps you can take to fix the issue. First of all, ensure that you are connected to the stable internet connection. Also ensure that there is no network issues that prevent SMS delivery. And also ensure that you are entering your phone number correctly, including the correct country code. You may have entered incorrect phone number or the country code. Make sure to check it and correct it. Also, you will need to review SMS settings, whether they are enabled or not. For that, you will need to go to the settings of your device. Scroll down from the top of your screen and then tap on the gear icon at the top right. In the settings page, scroll to find the application option. Open your application and now find the Telegram application from here. Once you find the Telegram application, simply open it and then tap on the permission option. Here scroll down and check message or phone option is enabled. If it is not enabled, you need to simply tap on it and then select the allow option. After that, also make sure you haven't accidentally blocked the number that Telegram used to send the verification code. To check that, you can go to the phone option, tap on the three dots icon at the top right and then select settings. Here select the blocked numbers at the very top and there check if you have blocked the number that the Telegram used to send verification code. If you have done that, then simply unblock that number. If not, you can return back to the home page. Also, if you still don't receive the SMS, Telegram may offer an option to receive the code via a phone call instead. You will need to choose this option if available. If not, you can also use your email to get the verification code. Also note that if you attempt to resend the code multiple times, then you may encounter a temporary block. For that, you will need to wait for a few seconds before trying again to avoid being blocked or locked out. If the issue still persists, then you can try uninstalling and then reinstalling your Telegram application. This can solve issues related to outdated app versions or corrupted files. For that, you will need to go to the Play Store of your device. Here, make sure you are logged into your account and then tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Now in the search bar, tap on it and search for Telegram. You will be able to find the search results below here. Tap on the app icon to open it and inside it, tap on this uninstall button. Once after tapping on it, the pop-up will appear. Here tap on the uninstall option once again. After that, wait until the app gets installed. Once after installing the application, you'll be able to see the install button. Simply tap on the install button and then wait until the app gets installed. Once after reinstalling the application, you will need to tap on the open button right here and then use your phone number in order to get the SMS. So by following one of these steps, you should be able to resolve issues related to not receiving the verification code from Telegram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.